Learn English with your Instill.
How's the workout going?
Good, just finished legs, you?
I can barely move after that set.
Same here, my legs are dead.
How many sets do you have left?
Just one more, then I'm done.
I'm feeling strong today.
That's awesome, you're going to crush it.
What are we hitting today?
Chest and shoulders.
How long have you been here?
About 30 minutes, just warming up.
You did 10 pull-ups already?
Yeah, I'm getting better at them.
Can you spot me?
Of course, I got you.
Should we do some core after this?
Yeah, I need to work on my abs.
Are you taking protein after this?
Definitely, gotta refuel.
This treadmill is killing me.
Huh, you'll be fine. Keep going.
How's your back feeling after that workout?
It's sore, but in a good way.
Should we try that new machine?
Let's do it, it looks fun.
How's your recovery going?
Good, I've been stretching a lot.
Are you doing cardio today?
Yep, just a quick 15 minutes.
I need to work on my bench press.
Same, but it's improving.
What's your favorite exercise?
I love squats. What about you?
I feel like I've hit a plateau.
Try mixing up your routine.
I'm sweating so much today.
Me too, we're killing it.
Is it just me, or is this weight feeling heavier?
You might be a little tired, take a break.
Can you believe how packed the gym is today?
Yeah, it's super busy, everyone's here.
Let's go harder today.
Definitely, no slacking.
Do you do legs twice a week?
Yeah, I usually do, it helps with strength.
How many calories did you burn today?
Not sure, but I'm drenched in sweat.
How many reps should I do?
Aim for 8 to 12 reps for growth.
I'm trying to work on my form.
It's looking good, just keep your back straight.
Do you stretch after every workout?
Yeah, it helps with recovery.
Have you tried the new protein shake?
Not yet, but I've heard it's good.
How's your cardio going?
I hate it, but I'm pushing through.
What's your post-workout snack?
Usually a protein bar or shake.
You going for a PR today?
Yes, I'm feeling strong.
Do you ever skip leg day?
Never, legs are important.
Should we take a selfie after this?
Yes, we're looking great.
Do you ever get sore after leg day?
Always, but it's worth it.
I think I need more rest between sets.
That could help with your recovery.
What's your favorite time to train?
I like mornings, it's quieter.
I'm going heavier today.
Nice, challenge yourself.
How's the progress on your goals?
It's going well, just need to be more consistent.
How often do you train abs?
Every other day, just to keep them toned.
I feel like my biceps are growing.
Definitely, they look bigger.
What time do you usually come to the gym?
Around 4, after work.
How's your squat form?
Good, I'm keeping my back straight.
Are you doing supersets today?
Yeah, it's a great way to burn more calories.
How do you stay motivated?
I think about the results.
Are you doing deadlifts today?
Yep, just a few heavy sets.
What do you think of this workout plan?
Looks solid, but add more legs.
Should we hit the pool after?
Sure, a good way to cool down.
How are your shoulders feeling?
A little sore, but in a good way.
I'm not feeling too motivated today.
That's okay, just push through, it'll feel better later.
What's the hardest part of your workout?
Leg day, it always gets me.
I feel like I've been slacking.
Don't worry, you'll bounce back.
Do you track your progress?
Yes, every month, helps me stay on track.
Do you listen to music while working out?
Always, it keeps me pumped.
I need to work on my cardio endurance.
Same, let's hit the treadmill together.
How do you feel about that new workout app?
It's good, but I still prefer old school methods.
What are you going to eat after this?
Probably some chicken and rice.
Are we doing abs today?
Yes, let's finish strong.
How do you stay focused during sets?
I just think about my goals.
Are you using the new weights today?
Yeah, I like them. They feel solid.
Should I add more weight here?
Go for it, you've got this.
I think I'll try a HIIT workout next.
Great idea, it's tough, but effective.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.